Hi, I'm Dr. Suresh. Our practice is located in Hitech City, which is the heart of Hyderabad. The mission of Gnathos Facial Surgery is to provide a quality care maxillofacial surgery services which enhances the beauty of every individual. The trust which most of our patients have is to provide a comprehensive maxillofacial surgical services. The uniqueness of Gnathos Facial Surgery is that we are a team of surgeons, expertise for over 2 decades in various fields of maxillofacial surgery, be it maxillofacial trauma, tumors, cancer surgeries, cosmetic surgeries, and temporomandibular joint surgeries. The rewarding part being a maxillofacial surgery is to provide a quality services for maxillofacial disorders, enhancing the beauty, enhancing the quality of life. Our day-to-day job is to save the faces and save the lives. I met a lot of patients who met with road traffic accidents, who had a complex facial injuries, jaw tumors, cysts of the jaws, and lost a part of a jaw. As a maxillofacial surgeon, we have done a lot of surgical procedures to enhance their beauty along with to maintain the function of the face like chewing, breathing, and speech. A lot of patients who had facial bone fractures and missed jawbone because of the cancer surgeries. We have done surgeries to restore the fix the facial bones, to restore the reconstruct the jaw part. At Gnathos, we bring not only expertise along with compassionate care to restore confidence in our patients.